Have you ever thought about running your own small business using just a single machine and handling everything yourself? Today, we're taking a look at 10 impressive one-person machines that are compact, practical, and built to fit into small spaces like workshops, garages, or even spare rooms. Each of these machines highlights how modern technology is making small-scale production simpler, cleaner, and more efficient than ever before. Let's begin. 1. Grain Color Sorter. This color sorter is one of those fascinating machines that quietly supports the food industry. It may appear small, but its function is extremely important. This machine uses optical sensors and cameras to identify and separate grains, seeds, or beans based on color and quality. Here's how it works. The grains move through the machine's chute, where high-speed cameras inspect each individual kernel. If an item falls outside the preset color range, tiny air jets immediately eject it. The final result is a perfectly uniform batch that is clean, sorted, and ready for packaging. Many color sorters are now designed specifically for small-scale farmers, seed traders, and local food processors. They are user-friendly, compact enough for small workspaces, and require only one operator. The machine improves product quality while reducing waste, making it both efficient and educational for anyone interested in food processing technology. With this level of automation, one person can now do the work that once required several workers. It's a strong example of small-scale precision in modern agriculture. 2. Mini Feed Pellet Machine. A feed pellet machine is another excellent example of a one-person microfactory. It is designed to compress agricultural byproducts or powdered grains into small, dense pellets used as animal feed. These machines are popular among small farmers, agricultural startups, and community farms because they are easy to operate, energy efficient, and portable. The process itself is simple. Raw materials such as corn, bran, or soybean meal are ground and fed into the machine. Through heat and pressure, the machine forms them into solid, uniform pellets. What makes modern mini pellet machines special is that many operate on single-phase power, allowing them to be used at home or in small barns. It doesn't require a team, just one trained operator to manage the input and collect the finished feed. This machine clearly shows how small-scale automation can support sustainable agriculture while reducing physical labor. Compact, clean, and efficient, it is a true one-person solution for practical production. 3. Wi-Fi Vending Machine. In today's connected world, even vending machines are becoming smarter. The Wi-Fi vending machine is a perfect example of this shift. These compact automated systems allow users to purchase or access Wi-Fi data through digital payments, much like buying snacks from a traditional vending machine. Small entrepreneurs often place these units in cafes, hostels, or shared spaces where people need quick internet access. The machine connects to a local network, accepts cashless payments, and automatically provides access codes or rechargeable cards. What's interesting is that one person can manage the entire operation, monitoring performance remotely through a mobile app, refilling cards or balances, and maintaining the unit. This machine demonstrates how vending has expanded beyond physical products. It focuses on delivering digital services in an efficient and secure way. It is compact, clean, and built for modern, tech-friendly environments. 4. Road Shot Blasting Machine. At first, a road shot blasting machine may sound like heavy industrial equipment, but smaller walk-behind versions are available that a single operator can handle easily. These machines are used to clean and prepare concrete or asphalt surfaces. They work by blasting tiny steel shots at high speed onto the surface, removing dirt, coatings, or paint, and creating a textured finish for better bonding. Compact models are designed for small contractors or maintenance workshops. They are commonly used for driveways, parking lots, or floor preparation. The machine includes a built-in dust collection system to ensure clean and safe operation. What makes it educational is the process itself. It provides a real-world example of surface engineering on a small scale. It is efficient, more environmentally friendly than chemical cleaning, and manageable by one skilled operator. With proper safety gear and training, this machine shows how industrial processes are becoming more compact and user-friendly. 5. Sachet Juice Stick Filling Machine. Fresh juice is popular everywhere, but proper packaging is often a challenge for small producers. The juice stick filling machine addresses this issue. This compact machine is designed to fill liquid juices, concentrates, or flavored drinks into slim stick-shaped pouches. It automatically handles filling, sealing, cutting, and portioning. It is commonly used by local beverage makers, small juice brands, and even farmers who want to package value-added drinks. A tabletop unit can fill hundreds of sachets per hour and is operated by just one person. Because it is small and easy to clean, it is ideal for food-safe environments and small-batch packaging demonstrations. These machines run on standard power, occupy minimal space, and make liquid packaging accessible to small producers. It is a practical example of how automation supports small-scale food entrepreneurship in an efficient, clean, and manageable way. 6. Automatic coffee vending machine. Coffee vending machines are common, but compact automatic versions are now designed for one-person operation and easy installation in small spaces. These machines brew and dispense coffee, espresso, cappuccino, latte, or black coffee with the push of a button. They store coffee beans, milk powder, sugar, and water internally, requiring only occasional refilling and cleaning. For small cafes, offices, or community spaces, they deliver consistent quality without needing a full-time barista. The interface is user-friendly and maintenance requirements are low. From an educational standpoint, it's fascinating to see how sensors, temperature control, and precision brewing are combined in such a compact system. It represents automation at its most convenient, turning a manual process into an effortless one-person operation. It also shows how digital control is transforming food and beverage service safely and efficiently. 7. Small biscuit making machine. Baking is both an art and a science. The small biscuit making machine brings that science into a compact setup that a single person can operate. These tabletop or portable machines handle dough shaping, cutting, and sometimes baking, depending on the model. The operator simply prepares the dough, feeds it into the machine, and collects evenly shaped biscuits at the output. Small bakery owners use these machines to maintain consistency and reduce manual effort. Production speed and shapes can be adjusted easily, making them ideal for testing recipes or producing limited batches. From an educational perspective, this machine demonstrates small-scale food automation. Precision, timing, and temperature control all come together in one unit. Because of its size, it's perfect for learning commercial baking principles without needing a large factory. It is clean, simple, and well-suited for small production environments. 8. Tabletop concealer. This is one of the most versatile one-person machines available. It is used to securely seal food, beverage, or product cans with metal lids, preserving freshness and preventing contamination. Compact concealers are commonly used by local food producers, beverage startups, and research facilities. The process involves placing a filled can beneath the sealer head, pressing a lever or button, and allowing the machine to crimp the lid tightly. What makes it especially useful is its ability to handle different can sizes and materials, including aluminum and tin, with minimal setup. For educational purposes, it is ideal for demonstrating vacuum sealing, pressure mechanics, and preservation techniques. With proper safety measures and training, a single operator can seal cans efficiently without complex systems. It is compact, safe, and highly effective, perfect for home-based or small-scale food production. 9. Perfume spray vending machine. These machines offer a creative approach to automated retail. They are compact, modern vending units that dispense small amounts of perfume or body spray. Commonly placed in malls, salons, or gyms, they allow users to select a fragrance, pay digitally, and receive a measured spray. For small-scale entrepreneurs, these machines can be managed by one person who refills fragrance cartridges, cleans the unit, and monitors performance remotely. The educational value lies in how vending technology has expanded beyond food. It now includes personal care and lifestyle products. The system combines mechanical design, fluid control, and digital interfaces, making it a strong example of compact retail innovation. It is safe, contactless, and easy to maintain. Another small-scale business idea enabled by smart engineering. 10. Tissue paper napkin making machine. The tissue paper napkin making machine is one of the most efficient small production systems designed for single-person operation. This compact unit processes large tissue rolls, folding them into square napkins and cutting them automatically. Some models also emboss or print simple designs on each napkin. It is widely used by small packaging suppliers, restaurants, and eco-friendly product manufacturers. The entire workflow, from loading raw material to collecting finished napkins, can be handled by one operator. Since it is enclosed and runs on standard electricity, it is safe, quiet, and easy to maintain. The production speed is high, and the machine fits comfortably in small workspaces. From an educational viewpoint, it clearly demonstrates automation in motion, showing how feeding, folding, and cutting synchronize seamlessly. It is a practical one-person machine that turns simple raw material into a finished consumer product.